Hello everyone. I'm gonna do another bird video with my parakeets, Angel, Sandbar, Kai, and Pearl. Um, yeah, so let's get into that right now. Hello again. I'm with the birds now. Here they all are. They teleported with me from where they were in the cage. Come here, Pearl. Don't be upset. Come say hi to everyone. Angel and Kai, you didn't mind doing YouTube earlier? They're kind of nervous again. They haven't done this in a while. Oh, and I look awful in this mirror. Okay, that's enough. That's enough going up here. Come here, Kai. Alright, now, Angel. Yeah, ready. Here's Angel again. She's been very good this summer. Yeah, say hi. Look! Guys, we shouldn't be fighting. Man, I'm still trying to think of a good character role for them. I've been learning from like their personalities. Guys! Guys, really? Is that what you're gonna do? Is that really what you're gonna do? Sandbar, you're like, what? I know what you did, Sandbar. I know exactly what you've done. I saw that. He was funny at the food dish with Kai. And Pearl, her flight has enhanced. She's had some rough times with her flying. No? Okay. They're a bit shocked because this is their first full group video. I think. Yeah, it is. Angel, look, it's YouTube again. Come on. Come on. Sandbar. Oh, Pearl. Okay, come here. Come here. Oh, okay, they're being a little camera shy right now. Oh, come on, you guys having a bad feather day. You weren't when I came over. You guys were all singing happily. Kai. Oh, Kai's nervous. Sandbar. Pearl, will you be a good Pearl? Look. Hey, I think Pearl's getting interested. Okay, no. Pearl, you've got to be careful. Yeah, Pearl's flight is... Okay, come on, Kai. Sit on my shoulder. Come on. Okay, he doesn't want to. Kai, anything you've got to say for yourself? No, they're all shy today. But that's alright. We can still have fun. Come on, Kai. You're the nicest of everyone right now. You're the nicest. You're being very nice. Are you being a sweet parakeet? Can you sing? Do you want to sing? Yeah! You can sing. What are the others doing? Are they being cowards? Are they hiding? Sandbar, don't slip. Pearl! That was rude. So we found out Sandbar and Angel are a couple. They love each other. I've catch them kissing many. Angel. There we go. Yes, you guys can see yourselves. Wait, does this go forever? Oh yeah, it looks like it goes forever. Now that is so cool. It goes forever and ever. Okay, anyhow. Look! Pearl's like, nothing. So what are you two doing? Okay, most of my video can be about these two. Doing God knows what. Angel, Angel, are you breaking stuff now? Come here, Kai. Sit on my shoulder. Good boy. You want to teleport out on my shoulder? I'll try and do that with you, Kai. Angel! What's gotten into you? Angel's being a bad bird. I love her, but she's being naughty. Come here, Sambar. You don't want to be with a naughty bird. Come be here with your brother. Come on. Oh, no, he likes walking up my arm. Oh, Angel's getting jealous. She's like, how dare you take my husband from me? I'm gonna get your... Oh, she's smart. I'm gonna get your tail. Oh, Sambar. Oh, he flew there. How's Pearl doing? Come on, you guys. Oh, Sambar, that wasn't nice. Angel, we need to talk. We need to talk. Don't bite me. I know you miss doing YouTube with Blue, but he's not around anymore. You've got to show everyone how it's done. Yeah. Be a nice parakeet. You look tired. Are you going to be a friendly parakeet and enjoy YouTube again? I think you should. What was that, you guys? Oh, Kai just said wow. Didn't you? Okay, you don't want to all watch Kai kissing me, but you can guess what he's doing on my shoulder right now. Kissing me. Go, Kai, that tickles. Yes, I know, Kai. Angel, we're doing the YouTube days again. Come on, Angel. Oh, she'd rather bite at the top. You know, what is at the top of this mirror? You guys tell me. Oh, it's probably just... Oh, God knows what. Angel. Oh, don't bite me. Don't bite me. Oh, you naughty little. Come here, Kai. Look. Kai is not nowhere to land. Okay. Silver, Pearl, and Angel. Go over there. No. You're not going up there, Angel. Look at them. They're so cute. Are you guys going to be friendly? Are you guys going to be friendly? You guys should really invest in being friendly. Come on now. Sambar? Can we chat? Oh, Pearl, what did you do to them? Oh, Pearl's like, I'm the supreme bird now. Angel, do you want to come down here and join us? Here, come join us. Oh, Kai almost did. He wanted to. Okay, Sambar. Sambar. Oh, are you going to be a good boy? You going to be a good pal? Okay, no. Come on, guys. Come on. Oh, Sambar, what do you... Pearl, you can't sit up there. Because you have trouble flying. Sit somewhere. Oh, someone dropped a feather from that right down into the sink. This looks like either Angel's dark feather or Pearl's. I'm not quite sure, but it's definitely not Sambar or Kai. Well, I think it's too dark to be Pearl's. I think this is one of Angel's. Nice catch, ain't Pearl? Nice catch. You can look at that mirror there if you want. I don't want you, Pearl, because Pearl still kind of has trouble flying. I haven't really let her fly in this room before. Her or him. The beak keeps on changing. One day it's brown, the next day it's blue. I don't know. But that's Pearl. Kai, what are you doing? Come here, Kai. Go be with your girlfriend. Oh, he's like, no thanks. He'd rather be with his brother and his girlfriend. Okay, but you guys can't leave Pearl out. Kai, you should be down there with him. With her, or him, whatever. Kai and Pearl are the closest together. And then Sandbar and Angel are. Come on. Be together. Oh. Pearl's like, this is my spot. You can't sit here. Murph put me here. I know I did, Pearl. But you all can share. Oh. Sandbar, you remind me of Blue. Blue Bamboo. Throwback to Blue, everyone. If you remember him. Oh, Sandbar, you tried. You tried to land on my shoulder. Good boy. Good boy. Here, come sit. Come on. Come sit. Good boy. Good boy. I've been training them with this feather duster thing. And I use, well, not really feather duster. It's like some sort of duster. And it makes them land on me. If I hold it in one hand, they know to come down to me. I originally trained Angel with that technique with another thing by just putting it next to her and she would come and land on my shoulder. I mean, I don't know how else to train them, but the fear factor kind of works. Now, I'd never harm them or touch them with it because I know they don't like it. Good boy. Come here, Kai. Come on. Be with Sandbar. Yes, that's a good boy. These two are like brothers. They like being together. As you can see how they look at each other. Oh, Angel's being the top bird all the way up there. Yeah? Yeah? Yeah. Yeah. Does Pearl want to join us on my arm? Pearl's like, I like my little lady. Here's Pearl. Angel's way up there. Oh, Pearl's looking. Come on, Pearl. Join. Oh, Pearl likes the bracelets. Look at these. Oh, ladies. Do not fight. Alright, you guys. See, these guys kind of cling. I can do whatever the heck I want and they'll be on my shoulder. I could probably teleport out of here with them, but I'm afraid to introduce magic to them. Well, I'm going to teleport out of here in a moment. And yeah, oh. Sandbar's telling me a secret. Sandbar just told me a secret. Do you want me to keep that secret, Sandbar? Oh, him and Kai share the secret. Angel and Pearl are having their whatever problems. Do you have a secret? Oh, Kai and Sandbar do have a secret. In the comments, guess what the secret is? Look at them. Like two cats on a fence. Meow. Look at Angel. She looks tired. Alrighty, I've got to teleport out of here. Alrighty, you guys go join the others. Here, Kai, go up there. Go be with them. Okay. Alright. Thank you all for watching. Hope you enjoyed seeing the parakeets. And have a great day. See everyone next time. Bye.